pulled into a place called Mary Kathleen. It's about an hour's drive out of Mount Isa. So we're just setting up here for the night. It's a kind of a, not a weird vibe, but it's a place where everyone that was working at the, what would you call it, a mine site, quarry, which you can actually, we're going to go down and show you that now, but it's just got concrete slabs everywhere. It used to be a town, so there's roads and that here, but it's just no houses, so there's concrete slabs and that around. So we're just pulled up here. So there's a little creek that runs through there. There's some cows also, but we're going to head down and look at the mine site now. Just spend the night here, have a fire, and see what tonight sort of brings. What weather-wise, there's a bit of a breeze, but it's actually really nice. It's about 21 degrees. Got no phone internet, so I think we'll just have a fire tonight. Got a steak there, we might cook that over the open fire, but we'll show you what the mine site looks like now. Cheers. Where are we, Cass?
We're walking to the curtain
fig tree. Yeah,
curtain fig tree.
It's
so nice in here. It just feels so nice and cool and tropical. It smells nice. Love it.
So we're heading down here. I don't actually know much info on the actual tree itself, but there's a board down here. We'll have a read of it and see what it's all about. But
it's actually so dark in here. I don't need my sunnies.
Yeah, and we're just staying up the road, which is 5 k's from here, and like within a radius of 20 k's in the Atherton Tablelands. Wow, holy shit. Yeah, you could obviously drive to all these places. You can see all the lakes and that, so have a look.
You just look
Bit of Salt Bay action.
Oh no. Tim's really getting into his steak cooking, so
I'm thinking of becoming a chef once this trip's...
He's got a very specific way that he seasons and prepares the steaks.
Yes.
That thyme smells so yummy.
So this is Millaa Falls. They've put just a man-made swimming pool just down the bottom of the falls here, but they're doing a bit of work here because of the floods that were here not too long ago. So, but it still is open. It's a man-made pool at the bottom, got the falls up there, but it's a bit on the chilly side at the moment, so I don't think we'll be doing much swimming, but it's only about a 16k drive from where we're staying. Apparently you can see turtles and different things.
So third and last waterfall for the day is Millaa Falls. This is meant to be one of the most beautiful and most photographed waterfalls in Australia. So let's go down and check it out.
Yeah.
Number 3.
Number 3, yes.